Hello, welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. This is the Majorette Cadillac Fleetwood Limousine. It was produced from 1987 till 2002. It's a full metal casting. It says Limousine on the base in 1/58 scale, made in France, casting number 339. No suspension. It's got 4 opening doors. It's got a Florida license plate in the back. And it says Club Limo in the front. So it's got the lensed headlights, part of the yellow windows. Most of the ones I'm going to show have yellow windows and a white interior. Very plush seats. Even got a TV in the back, and that's why there's a TV antenna on the trunk, the boot. And all of them have a sliding sunroof that still works on all of them. I think that's a testament for the Majorette quality. Very cool casting. Also came in the metallic blue, metallic green, metallic silver, and black, and in white. Going to show some other colors of blade width cars here in blade width condition. But first I want to show this one, also the metallic dark color, dark gray I mean, but it's kind of a variation. I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but on my screen I can clearly see a difference. And here's a black one in a blade width condition. So as you can see, most of them the antenna will have partially or fully broken off, but the sliding roof works on all of them, so that's cool. And then here's a white version. They stack up really nicely, very cool. And then in 1991 Majorette released the Mercedes Limousine. This is the only one I have carded. And here's the back. It says more than 150 models to collect. So there's some helicopters, some trailer sets. So kind of a trailer set with a truck, a rig, fire department vehicle. Very cool. Wow, the glue is still very strong on this one, surprisingly. So this has a plastic base. It says Limousine Mercedes on the base. Also 1/58 scale, number 326. Also got the 4 opening doors. These are pretty hard to open. Got the little antennas on the back here. This got a German style license plate back and front. Got the Mercedes star molded into the boot or trunk. It's got the blue lensed taillights and headlights that are part of the blue windscreen. Here we get a grille that is part of the plastic base and not a separate. Well, I will show another one that has a separate grille, but this is part of the base. Mercedes star on the grille. We get a gray dashboard and steering wheel and a white interior. Doesn't seem to have a TV in this one. It also has the sliding roof, of course, sunroof. This one also came in metallic blue, metallic silver, and white, and in metallic dark purple. Is a blue version, also in a played with condition, but it still has the antennas in the back. So this is also the yellow window version, like the Cadillacs. So this one has the grille as a separate chrome piece instead of a part of the, in this case, black plastic base. So that's really nice. This is one of the early versions. Later on they changed that into this grille that is part of the base. Just to give you an idea, here is the normal Mercedes version, this model by Majorette, metal on metal. This is 1/63 scale, so not the same scale. Clearly, as you can see, the Limousine is much bigger, not only because it's a Limousine, but also because it's in 1/58 scale. So you can see it's wider, and also you can see the hood or bonnet is much longer, windscreen is bigger, and everything else. So that's it for this video. I thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I hope to see you again next time. Bye bye.